Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. In this video, I explain how to boot into Active Directory Services Restore Mode, or DSRM for short. This mode is very important for system administrators who manage Active Directory environments. They are a mode designed to repair, restore, and troubleshoot Active Directory database errors. Unlike a normal boot where the domain controller works normally, booting into DSRM disables Active Directory services, allowing administrators to perform critical recovery operations without intervention. Administrators will need it in situations such as recovering a corrupted Active Directory database or resetting the Directory Services Administrator password. Anyway, I will show you how to enter Active Directory Services Restore Mode. I will use the recommended system configuration for a planned reboot, so press Win-R to open the Run dialog box. Then type msconfig.exe in the Run dialog box and click OK. This will open the system configuration window on Windows Server. At the top, click on the Boot tab in the System Configuration window. Under the Boot options, select Safe Boot, and from there select Active Directory Repair. Click Apply, then OK. When prompted to restart the server, click Restart and the system will reboot in DSRM mode. Now, after the restarting, we have to log in. If you log in with the domain administrator account, we will get an error saying that you cannot log in with this account because directory services are not running in Active Directory Restore mode. In this case, you have to log in with the built-in administrator account, so enter /administrator as the username. And in the password, enter the DSRM password that was set during the installation of the domain controller. Now, after opening, the server is in Active Directory Services Restore mode. Perform the required Active Directory Services maintenance tasks. After actually logging into the server, in this mode, the directory services will not be running, but you can restore any backup you have or perform any maintenance you need on the directory services. Thus, you can perform the required maintenance tasks on Active Directory. After finishing, you must return to the default boot mode again. In order to exit the Active Directory Services Restore mode, open the Run dialog box and enter msconfig.exe and click the OK button. Then click on the Boot tab and deselect Secure Boot and click the Apply and OK button. Then agree to restart the server. After restarting, log in. But you can log in with the domain administrator account because the directory services are now running in default mode. That's all we have in today's video, where we learned the steps on how to enter Active Directory Services Restore mode, and we learned why it is necessary to restore and maintain Active Directory. Whether you are recovering a corrupted database, resetting a DSRM password, or troubleshooting Active Directory errors, these steps are very important for every system administrator. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more IT lessons and Active Directory solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.